Hello, on these videos I'll be showing videos, photos of problems with appliances from washers, dryers, dishwashers, refrigerators, and stoves. And I'll show you the video or the photo and title what the problem with that appliance is. And I read the comments on how to possibly repair it or the problem with the appliance. And you can go on to look for videos on how to repair the problem. But, I'll show you, maybe something leaking or something not starting. And then you can read the comments on the technicians and the DIYers who are commenting on the possibility of the problem with these appliances. So like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. We get this thing going and kind of help you and possibly be able to repair it yourself, or know that, hey, this is a little too technical. I need a appliance person to step in. Let's get started. Okay, Sandra writes, please tell me this is a normal water swishing sound for the Speed Queen TR5 model. Just got delivered new today. I ran 3 tub cleans in a row as the company instructed over the telephone using vinegar and baking soda in order to get rid of the black residue from the manufacturer on the inside of the drum. I worry it will grow mold or mildew overnight. I thought this expensive top load brand because I bought this expensive top load brand because I was tired of dealing with scrubbing mold from our 18-year-old front load washer. I'm calling the company tomorrow, but I don't know if there's anything I can do to get rid of the water that sounds like standing water on the outside of the basket drum. Please help. Okay, my take on it is that is normal. There's a balance ring at the top of the tub that keeps water in the ring that balances the tub. So hearing that swishing sound is normal. Sandra, the author, writes, won't this cause molding issues if water is always sitting in there at all times? I thought top loaders were supposed to be better at avoiding mold than front loaders. Let's see. We got from Seamus, yes, it's normal. It's a liquid balance ring built into your basket. Top load washers have a fluid ring for balance. Brandon writes, every machine that utilizes water will have a small amount left in the bottom at all times, not always visible. Nothing drains every drop. Top loaders can be less prone to mold than front loaders, but eventually anything with water will mold. Best thing to do, leave the lid open when it's not in use and run a cleaner like Active every couple weeks. Cheap on Amazon. Peak repair service. Sandra, the fluid you are hearing is sealed inside the hollow balance ring. It is not exposed to the atmosphere. Carla, mine does mold and it's a brand new washer. I hate the smell. Although that might be a top loader Sandra's talking about. Nathan, yes. Kinsey, normal, but should have got the TC5. Franklin, this is normal. There's always some water left inside the machine. Every machine has this condition. Apparently the machine was tested before it left the factory. Aaron, yes, it has water in the counterweight, normal from factory. Mill, I just got a new one and same sound. I live in Florida, and this is the last thing you want to hear. Mine also has rust residue on the bottom drum. Did issue continue? I'm thinking of sending it back. Charla, mine sound the same. I thought something was wrong with it. Mine is a Kenmore. Don't know how old it is. It's an energy efficient, and it doesn't have anything in the middle of the drum. So with the reading these comments, looks like that is normal, the swishing sound, and it's just a balance ring at the top after reading several comments. So remember to like, subscribe, comment, and have a good one.